No. Oh, Heavy Rain. This is the game I was on about when you first saw it.
Oh yeah, you got that on recently, didn't you?
Yeah. Yeah, finished the ending of Heavy Rain. You found Sean Mars. Yeah. What, Darwin? Ned Slanders. Oh, is it? Oh, yeah. This say on bottom of the screen. Yeah, Carmen's right. Somewhere. There somewhere. It's at the bottom of the screen, so it must be there. Yeah.
Let's just say a friend of a friend let me jump in line.
See you there, Sean. See, we found him.
Yeah. We saved the day, Yasmin.
You mean Ethan did?
You're a hero, Yasmin.
You mean Ethan did?
And you.
You mean because I was clever at the game?
Yeah.
I think I found my room.
Yeah, me and Ethan are. Because I'm a hero at everything and Ethan was a hero at saving his son. Yeah.
Perfect, Ethan. We'll be able to forget what happened. We'll lead a normal life. And one day it'll all just seem like a bad dream. We've earned the right to be happy now, Ethan. All three of us.
Yeah, all three of us. They mean them. You don't know. But they were running about in the house. Because Sean went like that to them, didn't he? Yeah, went right between them. Yeah.
He's being buried in 2 days in some godforsaken hole in the back end of beyond near Washington. I have to attend as a matter of protocol. I'll pass. Jane and I didn't see eye to eye on much. No problem. I understand.
Hey sir, I still have his glasses. What should I do with them?
Well, we'll be needing them again.
Good.
Whatever you want.
I'm recording. That's you doing that recording. That's right then. They're Jaden's glasses when he had the clues to find Sean and the origami killer. Yeah, or just Sean, or maybe both of them. Yeah. The origami killer and Sean. Yeah. But then suddenly he might magic into the glasses because I've done this mission before about 3 or 5 times. Yeah. But it's my first time doing it here. It was just at Reading because I played it about last weekend, the first time or the one after. Yeah. And I've already finished this mission after today and last week and the weekend after. That was really quick, that was. Because there's only about 35 missions in that one. Yeah, I think, or 45 or 35, something like that. Yeah. But there he is. Magic into the glasses. Or he's actually there before he's got the glasses on. So that was him. Because he's wearing his glasses. Yeah. There's that origami killer's grave who I was playing as Scott, the one who was fibbing, where he put Sean. He was so cheeky because he was saying that he was helping him he was gonna find Shun, but he was actually a liar because he was the origami killer. Because he was helping them find the origami killer, but he was lying. It was actually him was the origami killer. He was cheeky, such a liar. You are. He is, isn't it? Scott is. You're such a liar, Scott. And there's his grave saying, Scott Shelby. You're such a liar, Scott Shelby. I was gonna say Scott, then I thought I said Shelby because his second name's on there. Yeah. They showed us all the parts we did on the missions. Yeah. Yeah, that was him, the origami killer, who you just saw getting that badly with the black hat, because he was a baddie as well, trying to rob that shop. But you wouldn't know he was a robber because you saw him have a gun in his hand at the shop. Yeah. That's when they thought Ethan was the origami killer and he wasn't. Yeah, because that guy who you just saw looked down at the floor just when Ethan went on the floor to get away from the police. That was Blake, the one who was being cheeky, saying he's the origami killer when he wasn't, because he's the baddie as well. See, because Jordan, I think his name was from the FBI, or Jordan, I think he knows Blake's a baddie and he likes to talk to him like the boss because he knows he's a baddie, and he sometimes gets him as well. Yeah, you know what I mean? I was only shaking my head at Blake, but then I was gonna go. Then I thought I'll go. Yeah, the good guy getting Blake because he was a baddie and talking to him like the boss. Yeah. That's people telling me, showing you the ending of the heavy rain ending mission, and that I found Shun, and that was called that Carmen first saw it, so I got her in the video first seeing it, even though I showed her the front cover when we first got Heavy Rain. But it first come to Dad's when I was at Mum's, and I first played it when I first showed Carmen. That was the game that I said I'll show her. Yeah, or I just showed. I said I'll show her when we get back on the day I was first gonna play it. Yeah.